Clearpool is making real noise right now, especially with its new L2, Ozean, pushing deeper into the real-world asset game. At its core, Clearpool is a decentralized credit marketplace, connecting institutions looking to borrow with DeFi lenders who want yield, all without the middlemen. Think undercollateralized lending, but on-chain, with transparency and real-time risk monitoring. This week, they integrated RedStone's Oracle tech into Ozean, bringing faster modular price feeds to over 1,250 assets. That means better data and clearer pricing for real-world assets like private credit and T-bills. DeFi lending just passed CeFi for the first time ever, hitting $30 billion in volume. Clearpool's already done over $750 million on its own, proving that it's not just in the race, it's setting the pace. And Ozean, it's a custom layer 2 built on the OP stack, tailored for real-world assets, low latency, scalable, and designed for institutions. If you're watching the real-world asset space, Clearpool is a name you need to know. Of course, this is my research. Do your own. For more things crypto, give me a follow.